Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So beat the heat and treat your taste buds to something tropical. As we are making a delightful and refreshing drink, a classic Indian favorite, Mango Lassi. This creamy and dreamy drink is bursting with the sweet flavor of the ripe mangoes, balanced perfectly with a touch of yogurt for a tangy twist. It's the perfect way to cool down on a hot day or enjoy a healthy and satisfying snack. So ditch the sugary sodas and embrace the taste of sunshine. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also do share my recipes. Let's get blending and create a delicious mango lassi at home. So first take a juicer jar, add 1 fresh mango, add 180 grams mango pulp, add a pinch of saffron, add a pinch of green cardamom powder and 300 grams curd. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and blend this until it is nice and smooth. And there you have it guys, a glass of delicious mango lassi ready to transport you to a tropical paradise. Look at that vibrant color and creamy consistency, pure refreshment in every sip. This sweetness of the mangoes perfectly complements with the coolness of the milk, creating a taste bud party. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more refreshing summer drinks recipes like this one. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more milk. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra creamy experience, you can use frozen mango chunk instead of fresh ones. Now go forth and beat the heat with this delicious mango lassi recipe. Until next time, happy blending. Bye.